So I've been giving some tips and tricks for Final Cut Pro users on this channel. I also gave away some animated text preset and planning to give some more preset and some tips for Final Cut Pro users. And today I want to show you how to get Final Cut Pro for free, at least for the first 90 days. Hey, so guys, everyone, welcome back to yet another video. I'm Neat, and on this channel, I want to help you create better videos. I want to help you in your content creation process. And every now and then, we also talk about spiritual development. But the mission is to help you as a content creator to create and make better video. So I used to use Adobe Premiere Pro a lot, especially when I was a student because there was a discount for students. But then it became really expensive for me, so I couldn't handle it with my budget. And I made the switch, the big switch to Final Cut Pro, and I've been using Final Cut Pro now for a while. So why should you use Final Cut Pro? Final Cut Pro is that next level to iMovie, and iMovie is the free version, of course, free software. You can mess around and put your videos together. I'm sure you've used it before if you're a Mac user because it's free, and if you're a content creator, of course, every free thing we want to use, that's where we're starting. But Final Cut Pro is that next level. So what can you do with Final Cut Pro? To be honest with you guys, there's a lot of things that I can't do in Final Cut Pro that I used to do in Adobe Premiere, especially without plugins. But Final Cut Pro is enough for what I do, for the YouTube videos that I'm doing. And with Final Cut Pro, you can now have better text animation, you can have better transition, you can have even templates for your intros and stuff like that. Really up your production level when you are creating your content. So there's a lot of things in Final Cut Pro that you can do if you know how to use it, of course. But I gotta remind you guys that Final Cut Pro is just a tool, and no tool in the world will make you more creative. Creativity actually starts in you, starts right here. You are made to create. So the tools are just there for you to use that creativity. So don't depend too much on tools. Depend on what you have right here. Start with what you have. Whatever it is that you're using right now to edit your videos, to create your content, master that. I mean, learn all the ins and out of that specific software. But of course, today you guys want to know how to use it for 90 days for free, a 90 days free trial. 90 days, guys, 3 months, 90 days free trial. You just follow the link down in the description, and you'll be brought to a page where you can just fill out your information, and you will be given a download link, and then you can start. Try to mess around with the Final Cut Pro program. But maybe the real question is, are 90 days enough for me to learn a new software? If I've never touched Final Cut Pro before, are 90 days enough? I don't know. It depends on the person, I think. But let me know in the comment section, guys. If you are a beginner and you have 90 days to learn this new software for free, how many hours a week would you spend to learn how to use it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comment section. And when you're done with the 90 days, the good thing about Final Cut Pro is that it's a one-time payment. When you choose to buy it for real this time, $299.99, that's the price, I think. $299.99, one-time payment. You will receive all the updates. You see, if I could buy something cash and receive a free updates, I would buy it. So after the 90 days, you can make that decision. But for now, go ahead and download it. Go ahead and download it for free and learn how to use it for 90 days. So if you guys are seriously considering to use Final Cut Pro, let me know in the comment section, guys, if you want me to do some basic tutorial on how to use Final Cut Pro. That will help me to create more content for you guys, to help you in your content creation process. That's all I have for this video, guys. It's a quick video. That's all I have. If you got any value from this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Push that notification bell so that you will never miss any content from this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.